to show you the dry pan now. Exactly the same thing as a wet pan, only we're going to run it dry. We got a bunch of material right here. Nice, nasty, dirty, dry stuff. We go ahead and put it in the gold pan. In the same way that we're using the pan wet, we're going to have that rocking motion. That gets everything stratified to where the gold's going to sink down as fast as it can, get caught in the mat or our drop ripple. Now you notice we got a bunch of big rocks coming out of there. We don't have to classify anything. What we're doing out in the field is we're just trying to find the gold. We're trying to see if there's any gold in the location where we are. All right, now we can keep adding material to this. We can keep going scoop after scoop, or we can go ahead and do the cleanup now. Let's do the cleanup. Looking on the inside of here, we've got our vortex mat. We got to get all this material back into the pan. It's real easy to do it. You just hold it on the carabiner hole at the bottom and you just tap it. And you see how that just jumps out of the mat and back into the pan. All right, now once you've got most of that out, we'll just unhook the mat. We'll put it out, make sure everything is pointing downhill, so if there's any gold that's cutting loose, it's all running back into our pan. We're going to take the mat, flip it over, thump it a couple of times. Now we got all the material out of the mat. We got a little extra material here. We'll jump it back into the tray. Now we're going to take and dry pan. By dry panning, we're going to use what's called a willowing method, in other words, air. We're going to take and settle all of our gold down to the bottom, all of our material. The gold's going to be deep, the black sands, everything's going to be deep. We're going to blow with our lungs. We're going to blow the light stuff to the other side. So you can see we got some nice black sands in here, so we know that this is heavy stuff and our light stuff's over here. To get it out, we're going to jump it out. So we're just going to basically airborne everything. See how I just jumped it out like that? Simple as can be, right? Try this at home.
Yeah. You're better second time.
All right, I'm going to go down a little bit farther. Jump. Jump. And just keep on bringing her down. All right, now once we get down to this little bit of stuff, we're going to change our technique a little bit. We're going to actually add a tap to it. We're holding it underneath. We're going to add a tap and be able to get more of that stuff moved off of it. We'll be able to move some black sands off of it, as well as keeping the gold up toward the tap. All right, now, I can see a little piece of gold right there.
Yep.
Now, if there's bigger pieces of gold in there, this is where we'll find them. And all we're going to do is just a quick little fan out. You see a little fan out like that? If there's bigger pieces, we'd find it right there. If you want to look at the small stuff, we're going to blow on it since it's fanned out. We're going to blow on it again. Okay, now look at all that little fine gold in there.
Oh yeah, I see it all.
Yeah, let me push it all together. You see all that gold there?
Yep.
This is going to capture the little stuff. It's going to capture the big stuff. We got a nugget trap in there for the really, really big stuff. But it's going to be able to let you know if you've got gold or not. What we're trying to do is find out, is the place I got this material worth mining, or do I need to keep looking? Which place have I gone to today that is the best that I'm going to bring my equipment back to? I'm going to go through the desert with this in a bucket and my backpack with my own personal water, and I'm not carrying any water to pan with. All right, so you'll be able to travel light, check more places, find better gold.